Always funky. Think about baby. The chopper got a problem with these bullets. Ain't no way it's accidental when I spill them on you. I'm the realest in the business. How you live? Cause you can get it how you live. And while you live it, I'ma say my pull-out game is so real, I still give it to kids. Now that's skill. The top of your head is like top convertibles. Ain't gonna really take no time to come through and murder you. I'm fake mine. I think it's the fairway. Sticks blown away and left on display, hung by the grapevine. I just kick the chair away. Let me be the first to tell you that you're looking at a superstar. My microphone in AK-47, that's my nigga talk. I'm the long nigga and I don't care who you are. Yeah, you sold a couple records, got a couple joints, got a few, 2, 3, 4 pair of Louis. That's beside the point like a shooting guard. I'm a rock star. What you can call? I am sick George Clooney with an Uzi, kind of a movie star. I'm moving hard just to prove he's hard. You know what you mean, dog? Putting the cast as soon as we start shooting, dog. I swear I knew where the rubies are, the way I thought of it. Through the yard, stuff little Susan in cardboard after rapping a new movie star body and waterproof talk covered in moving talk. So what's the book for? Did you fucking wall off jump? Or did you jump? Or did you just become morbid? Looking at me for fun. I just become morbid and more self-absorbed in my own world. Every one order tended to take. So I'm able to stop. Told you from the gate. One thought a general text and I'm off to the face. Wait, mental state. Hold your fucking horses. There's nothing more disgusting than animal. I just got done snorting that fucking backwards open the tandem. It's unfortunate. Mind you, and some sort of an antidote. It's not a pill for bananas though. It's unfortunate. You got to lose with your friends though. Acting like you're Michelangelo with a fucking fortress. You got shredders. Better fall back in the shadow. Or run before you get injured. A fucking ninja turtle waiting coming toward us. Two joint forces, of course. This is the weed smoke you on inventory. That needle's experiencing some shortness of breath. As you sit with your lungs punctured, hitting motherfucking tears come for it. If I say you once more than you're done for, you're gonna have to learn how to fucking get from the rush of the eardrum. Of course, when I clean up, you dump yours. Dumb as a stump to think you come with a chunk short. Face in your face, bitch. Chuck Norris is dumb, touch more than a gun swords. This is the blood sport, it's glorious, notorious, bigger, so unwarriors. Goddamn, this small boy general. Once I slaughtered it, you couldn't unslaughter it. Once I ordered a hit, you couldn't unorder it. Hits in order, this is the principle. From the moment I go to bed till I wake up, all day, just so I can't think about baby. So I'm screaming for his hands and say, always, just so I can't think about baby. No more drama, this time I'm out of water. Wow, after all these got the song, the voice is getting louder. I fuck through this anthem and never rap or exercise in my audience. Rebel without cause, rebel without cause. I'm a constant, I'm the constant. You wouldn't be a G if you cost me $1,000. Infrared in my pencil, but always keep it in that pocket. Both of them locked in a little bit of motion. When I pause, when you see these two dots on your coat, you fucking false. You wait, you just got to rock it. But you just got to say, let's go. Yeah, still feeling you feel it. When I step in and kill a set in the middle, step with the back of the intellect and elected with the black belt. Kung Fu, protect your neck and respect your gun. Read in the art of war book about sons. You realize if you defy, you probably won't be around here long. Rapunzel, get over it. Look, bitch, I got the bands in my pocket and the drum roll popping. That's overkill. I keep you kidding under me. I keep you still above degree. I hit you with a hook that'll make you see threes. You realize as soon as you beat me, that you bit. Yeah, it's still one of me. You slap you, that's a recap you, that's normal embarrassment. You slap me, that's me slap you, that's horrible hilarious. So we scrap over you line like a beeline. Cut up in a forest. Character kill from a dominant male. I'm born with malaria, born with Lou Garrett. This war in America, poor little Erica. In the morning, the sheriff and law enforcement will find 1/4 of her buried under a barrier at the kitchen floor with the stairs and an outdoor when it hurries. From the moment I go to bed till I wake up, all day, just so I can think about baby. So I'm screaming for his hands and say, always, just so I can think about baby. Back then, hold it, won't. Now black pins all hit, comes. My spectacular, like masculine, I spit like giving X like Cut Dracula. Let me translate, I'm trying to find me a bitch, and then I'm sucking on the neck while she naked, and then I'm shitting on her. Gonna run, spin, gonna smithereens in a toy, gonna songs freaking rotation behind these birds of living a time bomb with a nervous tick in the room, where the victim I flooded with them first and burn, stick them, burn them, I try to step on the side of making sure any who battle me crumble, wait, fuck battery holiday, and this when you're thinking that'll be all I say, I'll start automatically calling names rattling off, fellow rappers supporting the analogy, but I'll disappear quick as Natalie Holloway. It's my mentality, y'all. I'm normally a suicide mission to try disinform me, and I never mind getting called jealous all the time in the articles that you write, which is why I never reply to think I'm shit. So I think with mine, even it's applied, written, going to by, giving a side, please get my little white, taking your eye, live like a fucking switch subject, moving on to the next one. Chucky, who wanna play my number one overall? Buddy, it's like a buddy, Michael Buddy, cause he don't like nobody, it's like somebody, cause he just likes somebody, pull out the crack of the lighter one. Just saying, this one don't see the kind of one, cause for this man, I would take a lighter and light up all of my lighter money. you can call it Papa money. Hi Rihanna, I mean wait, Tatiana, Tatiana, I got a problem. I don't like it. It's called fuck model. Who pussy the tightest? That's amazing. Sit your ass down. I don't like pussy too tight. Fuck out of here and have some babies. Vocabulary still ill. Then I let it spit will. It's all yellow with the black stripe. Kill Bill. I'm so far ahead of the skills here. Getting ready for my past life. I'm the real Bill. Like Holyfield, Biggie, get twisted like that's Holyfield. Till I kill over when somebody stop broke. Killing me over in my phone, like oatmeal. You know the deal. I'm not about to sit and go through the whole spiel of how I'm cold feeling. You know, cold snowmobile. No feeling. It's so dope feel. If you want to go to the state, you go to joke. It's so for real. It's what I told before you ain't see before I broke his wheel. With the drip with skull to see his soul. Told me when I snap like a photo heel. Get exposed like a rope film. Now here it goes again. Oh, I'm so trill. I'ma get the hose again. Make my whole bill. Bitches getting cut close. We need the bucket. Beat the poor little old with it. With those pillows. So pillows. It's my hope nothing. Smoke pillows under that guy. Fuck it.